What if the very safety device that's meant to save your life could hurt you instead? Welcome to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how airbags really work, why they matter, and how a small misunderstanding can change everything. Airbags are one of the most powerful safety features in your vehicle, yet most drivers barely understand how they work. Today, we're breaking down the truth behind airbags, how they save lives, when they can pose risks, and simple safety tips every driver should know. Whether you're a new driver, a parent with kids in the car, or someone who just wants to stay safe on the road, this video is for you. 1. What are airbags and how they work? Airbags are smart safety devices built into your car's interior, steering wheel, dashboard, sometimes even seats and side pillars. In a crash, sensors detect the impact and trigger the airbag to inflate in a fraction of a second. That tiny cushion expands at lightning speed to protect your head and chest from hitting hard surfaces. It happens so fast, faster than you can blink, and that speed is what helps prevent serious injuries in moderate to severe crashes. 2. The life-saving power of airbags. When airbags work with your seatbelt, they're a powerful combo. Your seatbelt keeps you in the correct position, and the airbag softens the blow in a crash. That teamwork reduces the chance of life-threatening injuries and has saved countless lives on the road. Imagine a family returning from a weekend trip. A sudden collision, but thanks to seatbelts and airbag, they walk away with minor injuries instead of worse. That's the power of this safety system. 3. When airbags can be dangerous. Airbags are designed to protect, but they can cause harm if the conditions aren't right. If you sit too close to the airbag, aren't wearing a seatbelt, or are positioned poorly, the force of an expanding airbag can cause injury. In rare cases, defects or old components can make matters worse. That's not to scare you. It's to make you aware. Safety only works when you understand it. 4. Real-life scenarios and safety tips. Here's how to keep yourself safe. Always wear your seatbelt. Your seatbelt keeps you back and aligned so the airbag can work properly. Keep a safe distance from the steering wheel. Experts recommend at least a comfortable amount of space between your chest and the wheel. Replace airbags after deployment. They're designed for one crash only. Check for recalls. Manufacturers sometimes issue recalls for defective airbag parts. Make sure your vehicle is up to date. And if you have kids, make sure they're in the back seat. Airbags can be dangerous for young passengers up front. Airbags are incredible lifesavers, but only if you use them with knowledge and respect. Understanding how they work and how to stay safe can make a huge difference for you, your passengers, and everyone on the road. If you learned something today, smash that like button, subscribe for more real auto safety tips, and comment below with your questions or experiences with airbags. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.